DC Comics releasing $60 million worth of Batman NFTs. Batman fans will be in for a treat once the NFT is widely adopted in 2022. Following the premiere of DC Comics' most recent film, The Batman, the entertainment business teased introducing Batman to the realm of NFTs. From April 26, 200,000 unique 3D rendered Bat Cowl NFTs will be available for purchase. The NFTs are also based on a one-of-a-kind Batman-inspired digital art collection, which includes the superhero's many iconic headpieces over the years. Each Bat Cowl NFT would cost $300, increasing the total cost of the collection to $60 million. Furthermore, the NFTs can only be purchased through DC's official NFT marketplace, nft.dcuniverse.com. In addition, DC has teamed up with Palm NFT Studio to give fans a stress-free NFT experience. The studio claims to make NFT sales easier by lowering gas costs and speeding up transactions. The Bat Cowl NFT launch from DC is a major thing because Batman is such a huge pop culture icon. To date, the most recent Batman film has grossed over $650 million at the global box office, demonstrating the Dark Knight's enduring popularity. DC's decision to officially bring Batman to the NFT sector is a significant indicator of the medium's expanding influence and acceptability in the mainstream media. Additionally, artists and comic book readers will be more likely to interact with NFTs as a result of this. This drop is a watershed moment for NFTs, says Matt Mason, Palm Studios' chief content officer. Holders also have access to a special DC Universe fan forum with behind-the-scenes content, actual collectibles, merchandise, and invitations to select fan events. The Bat Cowl NFTs will allow fans to join the DC Universe and be rewarded for their unique identities. The Bat Cowl NFTs are the first official Batman NFT collection. However, they aren't the first DC Comics NFTs. The business debuted its spinning floppy disk NFTs last year, which were given away for free to everyone who signed up for the DC fandom event. DC has published its trading card NFTs in collaboration with Hero. Furthermore, DC's parent company, Warner Media, has already jumped on the NFT bandwagon. With music NFTs and movie-related NFTs, its other companies, Warner Brothers and Warner Music Group, are already making huge strides in the NFT field. In terms of the Bat Cowl NFT launch, DC sees it as a wonderful opportunity for Batman fans all across the world. The team is optimistic that by utilizing NFTs, they would be able to bring the superhero and his supporters closer than ever before. That brings us to the end of this video. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.